Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is a multivitamin that I use for every day. This is a Centrum Multivitamin, and it just can tell wonders about this. So this has all the basic vitamins that a man would need: vitamin C, vitamin D, has zinc, and it's all in a macronutrient. So I've been kind of hesitant about drinking vitamins since I was a kid, but once I found the solution of just drinking one all in one, just one pill that is going to be a decent size and is going to give you all the vitamins that are going to be need for me to stay healthy, to do my activities. I'm an active person and I'm always moving around. Go to the gym, go to the play basketball and soccer. So this actually gives me an insurance that I'm going to feel better and that my immune system is going to be working properly like it should be. So pill size is a normal size compared to a coin or the other pills that you can find as a multivitamin is a normal size. So it just works great. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.